welcome to my YouTube channel Finest Editor. In this video we will see how to make cinematic text zoom effect in CapCut PC. First add some text like this. Add a keyframe of position scale at the beginning of text and give it scale according to your choice. Then add a new keyframe at the end of text and increase its scale to something this or according to your choice. Let's see how it looks. Okay, good. And also you can play with keyframe animation graphs like this. I will go with ease and 3. Now export this and open a new project. Add a video or text as a background. I will go to the library. Now import that video file. I will split the text video layer because I want to add some animation. Go to the out section and add zoom in. Add BGM I will select from CapCut library.